unboxing. Actually, what was it? Oh, I'm trying to X out my address because it's on the freaking paper. I don't want anybody seeing it. But you guys, my EDC box came in. So basically today is going to be an unboxing, and I'm just going to show you what the box looks like. I did this last year, and I wanted to do it again because why not?
I want to kind of make it a ritual to do this, at least kind of more with my rave stuff. With my other festival, I'm going to Rolling Loud, and it's not as
a big deal, you know? So, like the packaging, so yeah. But anyways, right here in the back, it says, all are welcomed here. So it's super cute, super small. Can you see?
It's super small. But anyways, the box, and of course, all over, it's gonna say, all are welcome here. Because that's like their little motto quote.
And then of course, there's a moon on it, as you can see. So then we're gonna open the box up. Yes, I'm so hyped. So the packaging is so cute so far. Basically, it explains what EDC is and what it's about, and you can read more about it on here. I'll go slow just in case anybody, I don't know, maybe screenshots it and actually wants to read it if you've never been, or I don't know. You never know. So yeah, so Pasquale is the owner. Correct me if I'm not saying his name right. Oh, what the heck? Okay, well that opened, so I was gonna do a whole, but okay, so then this is a little smiley face, and these are where all the goodies are. That's funny that this is in there. So,
oh, these are cute. Are these stickers? Do not tell me these are stickers. They're magnet? No, they're stickers. Well, I'm gonna open them right now. But here's like a pack of stickers. They're super cute. And then here's a chain. Oh my god. I don't know what I did with my chain, my keychain from last year. Okay, well, whatever. I'm surprised it doesn't focus better. Okay, so this is a keychain. It's super cute. I'm probably gonna put it on my keys right now. I don't know what I did with my other one. I know there was the buttons or whatever, which I'm getting to. I love these. They're super cute, y'all. Like, last year they were cute, but I think these are cuter. And I think, did we get this many last year? I don't think so. I need to look for the old stuff. I mean, I have the old video, but you know, this is the buttons.
So you can save, actually, oh yeah, it is. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look, this is bigger. But yeah, it's 3 little pins or whatever that you can pin anywhere. It's so cute. Some people wear them. I saw it to the festival, but yeah, super cute. And then this is a patch. I don't know where you would patch this onto. You know what I mean? I don't know. But yeah, super cute. I love it. Colorful. And yeah. This part, I don't remember what was in here last year. So, oh, duh, the freaking wristband. Hello.
Yeah, it says, welcome home. So that's super freaking cute.
So this is what the wristband looks like this year. I'm digging the GA glitter vibes they have going on. Super cute. It's funny because this wristband kind of reminds me of Freaky Deaky, just because the coloring, like the green, purple, and like black, I think. Those are kind of the colors of Freaky Deaky. But it's cute. It's different. I kind of like the one from last year besides the glitter. I really like the glitter because it was like colorful.
But you know, whatever. So then I opened the book last year first, but now I'm doing it backwards this year. And I gotta show you guys the stickers.
So here's where it says, under, can y'all see? Under the electric sky, which will be back in just like about 2 weeks. So this is basically, again, talking about EDC, and it's their 23rd year, maybe if I can focus. Yeah, it's the 23rd year, and basically just explaining what the festival is. Then community values. This is so cool. I've always wanted to be in one of these. Maybe next year. Well, I don't even know if I'm going to EDC next year, but you know, that's super cute. And by the way, if you want to, you know, be a rave squad, I want a rave squad like this because me and Clarissa need more friends who rave. So this is the kinetic field, which is basically the main stage. And this picture literally is what it looks like. And it almost doesn't do it any justice because it looks like a freaking movie. But, you know, this is the main stage. And that's cool. There's little pictures. Cosmic Meadow. I love Cosmic Meadow because that's the first thing when you walk into EDC. This is the first thing you see, whether it's day, night, whatever. But it looks way cooler at night and like a little more overwhelming just because literally everyone and their mother's there at night. So yeah, but during the day it's super pretty. You can see the mountains and stuff. So here's pictures. I need to find where that room is because I want to shoot. Circuit grounds. I was there. I think, who was it? Was it Martin Garrix was there last year? I can't remember who I saw here. And then I saw Robotica, I want to say. And a few other people, but I liked it, but I wasn't there that much. But I did like that stage. They're so cute. I want a picture like this. Neon Gardens. Did I really go? I don't even remember going to Neon Garden to be honest. Maybe I passed by it, I'm not sure. But basically this also explains, I think, the stage 2, like this is more deep house and techno. So these stages, everybody plays the different types of EDM, like, I mean, not types, genres, I guess you would say. The bass pod, I think we passed by it, but honestly, I don't know how to feel about the bass pod, like dubstep or bass music, whatever. Like, some of it is just too much. I don't know. Well, not too much, but you know, like, I feel like, I don't know, I just can't vibe to it that much. And then here's Wasteland. I don't remember passing by. Maybe I did pass by Wasteland. I can't fucking remember. Most of the time when we're passing by the stages, it was super dark. So yeah, can't remember. These are so cute. I really want a picture like this with Clarissa. Quantum Valley. We definitely passed by this. I want to say, I can't remember what ride it was, but there was a ride right there that we rode. And the laser shows were fucking crazy. It's super cool. And then what genre? This is, it doesn't even say. Or does it? Maybe I can't read. Trance music, yeah. But I wasn't there. I mean, I was vibing out, of course, but I wasn't, like, there listening to the music. Stereo Bloom, definitely don't remember this. We just kind of passed by everything, but the main stages were for sure Kinetic Field and Cosmic Meadow. Oh, these are so cute. I love these pictures. Downtown EDC, it's cool because you just get to walk around. Isn't this where people get married and stuff? One of our friends, yeah, we were here. So one of our friends this year, Angie, is getting married at EDC, and we get to go. So it's super cool. We get to be at the chapel. We actually crashed a wedding last year. It's funny. But here's Camp EDC. We won't be camping. We know a few people who are. But, you know, we won't be, sadly. It kind of looks fun, but I don't know. I just want to be in a hotel on the Strip. And then here's just tips of, like, I guess what to bring or whatnot and what you can't bring. So, yeah. Then, she's like Instagram famous, Rave Bae.
Remember her name, but I love her. I follow her on Instagram. Her outfits are literally some of my inspiration for EDC. She's one of the reasons, and a few other girls, that I kind of stepped my game up this year because I saw her last year. I remember seeing her, and I didn't know who she was. And then, of course, EDC afterwards, you're all into the rave culture even more because it's just, like, so inspiring and it's just so much fun. And then I found her through an EDC hashtag, I guess, EDC Las Vegas hashtag. She's super pretty, can dress. I just love it, love it, love it. If I find her at, I will definitely add her, but I cannot remember her name on Instagram, but definitely can see her face. So, yeah, and then this is just your wristband. You have to register your wristband, which I need to do. And don't put your wristband on. There's a lot of people who make that mistake, and you'll be wearing your wristband for, like, what, 2 more weeks? I think we have, like, 2 more weeks till EDC. So, yeah, I suggest you not to put your wristband on yet. And here's just festival guidelines, entry security. I might do an in-depth video of, like, what things you should bring to EDC and what things to not, and just, I don't know, I'm going to do more festival-related videos because I'm super into them, like, watching them. And I know that I was so confused when I was first going to my first festival, which was Rolling Loud. Not really the same because it's hip-hop, but definitely bringing in things. It's kind of the same policies and whatnot, so I think I'll just do it in general, like, festival guides, what you should bring to festivals when you go. And then, basically, here's tips, just saying stick together, you know. You can always ask for help, take care of yourself, don't get too fucked up, basically. Go exploring, yeah, have fun. But honestly, I don't want to leave Clarissa. It's just me and Clarissa going again this year. So I don't really want to get separated. A lot of people say they have fun when they get separated and whatnot. But honestly, I think I'll be tripping because, yeah, I only have Clarissa. So I'm like, oh, I'm not in a big-ass group. And then just getting home safely. Yeah, it tells you, like, the times, the lift, and blah, 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 and lock your car keys, and what times, and yada, yada, and that's the end of the little booklet. Oh, so these are all of the stickers. Oops, that's upside down. Okay, so these are all the stickers, basically all their festivals that they have, like Hard Summer, Escape, Beyond Wonderland, EDC, of course, and Nocturnal Wonderland, all that. These are their stickers, so that's super cool. They're also promoting their other festivals, and who they are, of course, Insomniac, and giving them a sticker, so I think that's super cool. And it's funny because I just saw the lineup for Hard Summer, and I'm super tempted to go, so maybe. But, yeah, these are super cute. And basically, I'm just going to lay out everything, and that's really the end of the video because I showed everything to you guys. Yeah, super cute. So I'm going to just lay everything out and give you an overview. I'm probably super fucking late because people have been getting their boxes since like a week ago. So yeah, a lot of people probably have seen the unboxing already. And if you haven't, and you're one of those lucky people who haven't, and you get to come to my channel to see it first, let me know what you think. The box is super cute. Actually, maybe let me bring out the stuff from last year. One second.
Can you see how dusty it is? That's a dusted. Oh my god! I have dust all over my bed. Well, yeah, so this is basically a comparison of things from last year. So let's see how it looks. Actually, let's do a side-by-side comparison. God, I almost forgot that they gave a face mask this year and they didn't last year. Oops, they didn't last year, and I almost forgot it in the bag over there. I was like, what the heck?
This is how it looks. It's basically you just put your head through there and then you put it to cover up your face because you are basically like in the desert in Nevada and it does get like dusty and windy, so you want to cover your face. And then there's always people like smoking their fucking jewels or cigarettes or some bullshit, and you just don't really want to smell that, or even weed sometimes. I don't mind, but you know, you don't want to smell that all night, especially when you're jumping around and shit and you need energy and you're trying to breathe and then the air's all funky with everything. So yeah, I mean, this is a visual this is the visual of like how it's supposed to go on. Just you can have it on your neck when you're bored, or like you don't feel like having it over your face. And then there's on the left side how you're supposed to have it over your face. Here's a side-by-side of this year's, the new one, and then here's last year's. So it's a little bit more colorful, you know, different. But I mean, this is colorful because it does say EDC and then Las Vegas in the middle, so you know. But that's cute. And then we're gonna open them.
Here's what both of the boxes look like. This is like triangle, whatever patterns. And then this is more like of a circle. Maybe they do like different shapes every year. I don't know. I haven't seen previous EDC boxes. So let's open them because I kind of don't remember. Okay. So basically, well, yeah, that's what they look like. It's the same thing. Well, this is more kind of pastel. You even starts it off as someone who is fully committed, blah, blah, blah. So, and then, yeah, so it's already kind of different, but it's basically stating the same thing, what EDC is and means and blah, 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 values, etc. And then, oh, the book is different. Wow, I don't remember it being different. So then here's this year's book, and here's last year's book. And I guess in the top, now that's separate. That's cool to separate the wristband. And last year they didn't have that. It just said welcome, but I do like this one better. I low-key do like this one better. But this is how I'm gonna look after EDC. And yeah, so here's the patch. Oh, I do have it all still. Wow, I still have it all in the little thing. So yeah, here's last year's stuff. But I do like the fact that this has the date on it because I'm like, oh, I can remember. And last year, this is just EDC, so I won't remember what fucking EDC I went to. But 2018, of course. And then here's last year's patch. This is cool. I like, it looks like a spectrum, color spectrum. And then here's this year, so I do like last year's a little bit better. But I do love that they're stickers, and I do like this better. I like that it's like glittery looking. Last year's was just a smiley face. So I love these. So yeah, just let me know in the comments what box did you favor more? Did you favor 2018's or 2019's box? Basically, the difference, they did add more stuff, which is super cool. Also, like I said, the mask this year, stickers, and then they added more of these pins. And they had the patch last year, and then this, of course. So yeah, it's super cool. I love it. And then I also like that they had a separate box for just the wristband because they didn't last year. So let me know. Let me know which one you guys ultimately ended up liking the best. Thank you for watching.